Hey friends, I am here to do a quick video to show you the new fall welcome box from Causebox. So if you have been following me for a long time, you know that I am a huge fan of Causebox. I've been a subscriber for almost 3 years now. I buy these with my own monies because I love this company so much. They are a sponsor and a partner of my podcast, but that only happened after they realized that I talked about them all the time. And so they are amazing. I love this company so much. If you are not familiar with Causebox, here's how it works. Each season, a new box comes out with the best in skincare, wellness products, home goods, accessories, beauty, clothing, all from brands that are doing the most good. So these are not just products that are useful and beautiful. They are also giving back. They are empowering women and artisans here in America and abroad. I mean, they are working to prevent orphans. They're working to provide sustainable opportunities and employment for people in all different walks of life. I love this company. And each season, they seriously outdo themselves with each box that comes out. So each box is themed. So, we have a box that comes out in winter, spring, summer, fall, and all of the products in that box are themed. The boxes are also just always beautifully designed. I love them so much, and I cannot say enough good things about them. Well, so here's the thing. The fall box actually sold out in record time. In fact, it sold out before it even was released. So because Causebox is amazing, they put together the fall welcome box. So this is the box that is available right now if you did not get your hands on the fall box. So the fall welcome box is actually incredible because it combines some of the best products from the spring, summer, and fall boxes. So you're kind of getting a best of the last few months, and there's even a couple exclusive pieces in here. So to get this information off of the bat, so you can go to stillbeingmolly.com/Causebox. That's stillbeingmolly.com/Causebox. And there's 2 coupon codes that you have a choice of using. You can do either or, okay? You cannot use both coupon codes. I want to say that up front. You can use either or. So you can use the coupon code MOLLY, M-O-L-L-Y, for $15 off. And that makes the box $34.95. Or you can use the coupon code SWELL, S-W-E-L-L, and you get a bonus item, a bonus Swell bottle with that coupon code. So if you don't use the Swell coupon code and you use the Molly, you get $15 off, but you don't get the Swell bottle. Or you cannot use the Molly code, pay the full price, and use the Swell coupon code, and then you get the Swell bottle, which is over $15 in value. So I hope that makes sense. I'll have all the information in the comments as well. But in the meantime, I'm going to quickly show you what comes in the fall welcome box so you can get pumped up with me. So first of all, the design is incredible. I love it. I love that in every box you always get a good news magazine, and this tells you a little bit more about the artist that they work with. It tells you about some of the companies that are featured. It just gives you an idea of the impact that each box is having, and I love that. So each Causebox is guaranteed to be filled with over $150 worth of products. This box in particular is actually filled with over $250 worth of products. And that's, again, for only $54.95. Or if you choose to use that Molly coupon code, that makes it $15 off, $34.95. So just giving you that information up front as well. So I'm just going to kind of grab and show you what we got. First off is this beautiful postcard that was actually done by the same artist that did the box. And the artist is Yali Ziv. That's at Yali Ziv if you want to look up her on Instagram. Incredibly talented artisan. Love this. And you can send some snail mail to a friend, send an encouraging note, something like that. Next up, we've got, this is one I'm really excited about. Spoiler alert, I actually have been using this eyeshadow palette for a few days now, and it's incredible. Actually, I'm wearing some of the colors in my eyes today. This is the Real Her eyeshadow palette. This is the Be Your Own Kind of Beauty. It also comes with a eyeshadow brush. That's what that's called. The colors are beautiful. This is one of the sample ones. So I have another one of these palettes and it's amazing. the colors are amazing. They're great for fall. Some of them are a little more shimmery than others. They're very pigmented. They're paraben-free, vegan, long-wearing, certified cruelty-free, all-natural ingredients, sulfate-free, all the good things. And one of the things I love about Real Her is it was actually founded by a dad who wanted to create a company that empowered his daughter to embrace her natural beauty. But they also donate parts of their proceeds to nonprofit organizations that help advance the lives of women and girls through scholarship programs, leadership, advocacy, education, and research here in the United States. Also, I will just say, I'm allergic to like 95% of makeup brands. So I'm always really hesitant when I get a makeup palette because I'm allergic to so many. And so I was afraid that I was going to be allergic to this one. And I can tell you, I know a brand is clean if I am not allergic to it and if it doesn't irritate my eyes. And so I've been using this palette for about a week now, and I have not had any irritation, no breakouts. It hasn't made my eyes burn, nothing like that. It's long wearing. I have put it to the test. And again, if I am not allergic to it, then you probably will be fine because I'm sensitive to everything. And so that to me makes this palette a winner. So that's just a little anecdote for you. The next up is this beautiful Malabar scarf from Bloom and Give, and it is amazing. I love the neutral, very kind of light tan color. It's lightweight, but also big. So it's perfect really for almost all year long. You can kind of wrap it around. You could wear it like an infinity scarf. You could just kind of drape it. It is beautiful. And it's just that the colors in it and then the mix of the solid and stripes just make it look very elegant. And so you could really dress it up. This is a must have for fall. Next up is this beautiful vegan leather envelope clutch from October Diaper. You've got good little space in here. You've got place for your cards. You've got change in here. So you could definitely fit lip gloss, your phone, cards, keys, everything in this clutch. It's a great neutral color. It really goes well with the scarf. So you're already accessorized and coordinated. And on top of that, it's vegan leather. It's really high quality. It's beautiful. Then if you want to take your accessories up even a little bit more, we've got these beautiful Shop Soco earrings, handmade in Kenya. They are really dainty and look very simple, but also very dressy. So you can definitely wear these dressed up or dressed down. I actually have these in silver from the spring box, and I love them in gold. Really lightweight, so they're not going to pull your ears down. They're not going to feel heavy. Beautiful, beautiful earrings. So, I mean, between the earrings, the scarf, and the clutch, you're going to be looking good. Then we've got this Sandalwood Rose Soy Candle from PF Candle Co. If we could have smell-o-vision here on this video, you would know how amazing this thing smells. It's really incredible. I have the Reed diffuser from PF Candle Co. from the spring Causebox, and it is one of my favorites. It's all natural ingredients. This candle is actually hand-poured soy wax, nothing toxic in here. It's made right here in the US. Love, 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 love this company. All right, then we've got from Sensuals, 100% natural, grapefruit, turmeric, hand repair cream. It smells incredible. And if you want to Google the benefits of turmeric, you will be like, let me lather my body in that stuff. It's anti-inflammatory. It's a great natural ingredient. I love to cook with it. I take a couple supplements with turmeric in it because it's just great for supporting your body. And this hand cream is great because it's got turmeric in it, but it's not going to leave your hands looking yellow, because you don't want to just like take turmeric out and rub it on your body because you're just going to like make your body look yellow. Anyway, this stuff is incredible. It smells amazing and it's just really going to soften your skin, and the benefits of that turmeric are going to get into your skin and just really make you feel awesome. Then we've got some Zoya nail polishes, which you know I love. So I love Zoya nail polishes. It's actually my favorite nail polish company. And these are the colors you get. This beautiful, it's almost like a mauvey, purpley pink color, and then a great neutral tan. pretty much matches perfectly to the clutch, the earrings, the scarf. I sense a theme here. Zoya nail polishes, oh gosh. Zoya nail polishes are Big 10 free. So they're free from the 10 big toxic ingredients typically found in nail polishes. These are long lasting, they go on smooth. You really only need 1, maybe 2 coats at most. Every time I go get a pedicure, I bring my Zoya nail polishes with me to the nail salon because I like these better than what they have at the nail salon. Love, love, love these nail polishes. Okay, so that's everything that comes in the fall box, with the exception of if you decide to use the Swell coupon code, you get a bonus Swell stainless steel insulated water bottle. How gorgeous is that? Gorgeous. It's incredible. I love the colors in this. This keeps cold drinks cold for 24 hours. It keeps hot drinks hot for 12 hours. It's incredible. If you've never used a Swell water bottle, it's so legit. So this is your bonus item if you decide to use that Swell coupon code at checkout. So to get the Swell bottle, I'm gonna say this again. At checkout, when you go to get your fall welcome box, use the coupon code SWELL, SWELL, and you'll get a free Swell water bottle. So to recap, the fall welcome box is $54.95, and you have 2 choices at checkout. You can use the coupon code MOLLY, M-O-L-L-Y, for $15 off, or you can use the coupon code SWELL and get yourself a free Swell water bottle. So to get your hands on the fall welcome box, you go to stillbeingmolly.com/causebox. Stillbeingmolly.com/causebox. Use the coupon code MOLLY for $15 off, or the coupon code SWELL for the free Swell water bottle. Again, I'll have all of the information in the description. And yeah, I hope that was helpful. I hope you liked seeing what was in the fall welcome box. And thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you guys. See you later.